Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today we're going to be sharing how to make cauliflower rice. Cauliflower is from the family Brassica, as broccoli and kale is a superfood, very low in calories. 100 grams of cauliflower has just 25 calories in it, so it's very low in calories and it could aid in weight loss. Cauliflower is also low in carbohydrates. Today we're going to be using a grater to make this cauliflower flesh grainy for rice. This rice is going to be used for stir fries at the end of the day, but you could just eat it with your sauce or your stew. It's a great source of vitamin C. Cauliflower also is a great source of antioxidants. It's cauliflower, it's a healthy food and can be incorporated in most dishes. Cauliflower is also a great source of choline, which is a super brain component, as broccoli does have, and kale. So cauliflower has that choline content that makes it a super brain food. Cauliflower is a flexible ingredient. You could use it in making stir fries like I'm gonna do today, or you can eat it just as a side with your sauce. Cauliflower rice is very quick and easy to make. As you can see, I'm just using a manual grater here, and it's gonna come out grainy and easy to use for stir fry in less than 10 minutes. So it's a very super easy, super quick, super flexible ingredient. I recommend it and I advise you to go ahead, make some, add some cut peppers, onions, go ahead and make a delicious stir fry meal. Thanks for watching.